Hello there, welcome to Lead Scraping Pro. This list has 60k data. This sheet contains worldwide architecture and plumbing data. All leads collected from LinkedIn. You can get here all information about the person and company. Person information like top person, first name, last name, job title, personal email. This all email is verified using email verification tools, Million Verifier. You can see here this sheet emails verifying report, person LinkedIn URL. This sheet have top seniority level person and person location, city, state and country. Also you will get these people current company information like phone number, employee size, company name, company website, company LinkedIn URL, Facebook URL, Twitter URL. There have company full address, city, state and country, and company's annual revenue. Also we can help you to build a custom contact list according to existing companies, industry, SIC, NAICS, job role, company size, location, directories, and others information which you want. After verifying 60k emails, this list has total valid deliverable emails 50k and other invalid and bounce emails 10k. If you want this worldwide architecture and plumbing leads or want to get free 50 leads as a sample, you can contact us. Our contact details are in the description. Please check that. Thanks.